Alright, so this is a Maytag. Look how bad the mole is. Here's the metal. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace that gasket. So stay tuned to see the end. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take out that lid. The upper lip. So it has 3 screws out, which I already took out. Something like that. Alright. Alright, once you have that, you want to take out the soap dispenser. Take out these screws over here. There's going to be one here and there. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so I have removed the 2 screws here. So now we want to do is pop them up, the whole panel. Alright, so I have removed the spring. So now the gas came out. Now I'm going to take out the door. Control panels there. Alright, let's take out the door. Alright guys, so I took out the door. Now this is the gasket. So it's time to take this thing out. Alright, let's do this. Look at the difference on the gasket. Look how nice it looks. Look at that. Alright, next. Alright guys, it's all put back together. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Make sure there's no leaks. Going to be another happy customer. So what you want to do is you want to look at the sides here once it fills up. You want to look at the bottom, make sure there's not going to be no leaks coming out from this side. Alright guys, so this is another complete job. See you guys in the next one.